Having the best ergonomic keyboard is no longer a matter of desire, but a necessity for wrist support and comfortable typing. If you're tired of extensive typing, the ergonomic keyboards are here for you. Here's a list of the best ergonomic keyboards available in the market today. First is the Microsoft SCULPT Ergonomic Desktop. This one's the best. Microsoft came up with the new SCULPT Ergonomic keyboard that offers superior comfort, usability, and design. This keyboard's designed in such a way to support users' wrist and go easy on the arms, providing a cushioned palm rest. Your fingers will thank you for investing in this keyboard, as the keys are arranged in curves emulating a perfect curvature for your fingers. The keyboard's now available on Amazon for $66, which makes the option even better. Next, we got the Logitech K350. This keyboard allows your hands to get cradled in comfort. It eliminates annoying wires that drape across your desktop. The comfortable keyboard comes with cushioned palm rest and wavy keys, complemented in a solid construction powerful enough to survive frequent travel. It works on 2 AA batteries, and this ergonomic keyboard offers a battery span of 3 years, along with adjustable keyboard height and programmable keys. The Kinesis Freestyle 2. This ergonomic keyboard from Kinesis gives you comfort mixed with unique design. The keyboard's available for both Windows and Mac, and has a split design for maximum flexibility. It allows users to cater individual needs. This keyboard allows up to 9 inches of complete separation between the left and right keying modules. The palm support reduces wrist extension by keeping the wrist neutral. The 2-in-1 office and travel keyboard can be connected to your PC by Bluetooth. The ADESSO TRU-FORM 150. This 3-color illuminated ergonomic keyboard is designed for dimly lit conditions that offers a gentle slope for the natural positioning of hands, wrists, and forearms for increased comfort and extended use. The colorful keys are meant for increased productivity, which switches between green, blue, and red. The TRU-FORM keyboard is curved, keeping the wrist in a neutral position, and also possesses special functions for adjusting volume. The Matias Ergo Pro. This is renowned as the quietest mechanical keyboard that gives you fully split keyboard and greater comfort and faster typing speeds. If you're in need of a keyboard that's both mechanical and ergonomic, the Matias is the product for you. This keyboard allows you to make 2 halves to whichever position is meant for your needs. However, the keyboard holds an uncomfortable price tag at nearly $200. Last up is the Surface Ergonomic Keyboard. This keyboard sports a natural arc and slope in order to relieve the pressure of wrist and elbows. The ergonomic keyboard works with Windows 10 and supports keyboard-based input by a wireless USB dongle. Other notable features include a promising battery life of up to 12 months, and 128-bit AES encryption and multimedia keys.